Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you something very special today. This house for sale is located here in one of the most secured subdivisions here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Marquee, Landers, and NLEX. Let's check it out. This 3-story house and lot for sale is priced at 25 million pesos. It has a lot area of 221 square meters, floor area of 330 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, den or study, linen room, family room, patio, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. Guys, as you can see, the facade of the house is really nice. Makikita natin 3 levels siya, and the 3rd level will amaze you. Later, we will know why. Okay? Dito sa harap, we have this greenery sa harap ng porch natin. We have step up going to the porch and the main door. But let me show you the 2-car carport over here. Ito, tiled siya. And what's good about this is meron siyang mga storage for your car stuffs right there. Okay? Now let's head on to the main door. Ang ganda guys, oh. And the wooden tiles na ginamit sa front, really nice. Plus yung glass na railing doon sa ating balcony. Now, sa porch natin, we have this very nice choice of plants. We have this maki plant, itong bird's nest, and may mga bonsai tayo rito. Big wooden door with electronic lock. Welcome. So welcome. Upon entry, you will be greeted by tons of storage space dito sa entryway natin. We have this very nice space right here, a console right here, and check this out guys, very beautifully interiored yung house natin dito. Okay? We have this L-shaped sofa, solid wood na center table, and also we have this wooden bench right here, console and our TV right there. By the way guys, most of the things right here na makikita nyo are included, of course, except the personal items ng owner. We have the air conditioning right there, big windows, really bright itong house natin because of the floor-to-ceiling windows, no? We have this 8-seater solid wood dining table with solihiya chairs right here. Very interesting design ng ating light fixture. These doors can be opened. Meron tayong parang veranda dito sa gilid. And also, at the back of the house, here, we have this barbecue area right here. Ang ganda guys. Imagine, no, you're entertaining your family and guests here. Sobrang presko ng hangin. And makikita nyo naman yung movement ng plants natin. Really nice. And my favorite part, I think, except the 3rd floor ha, my favorite part, of course, is the main kitchen. Diba? Tons of storage. Really functional. We have the microwave, 2-door refrigerator, this island right here that has your range and your range hood, plus of course this breakfast counter right here. Ngayon, the sink is here and my big window dito so that you can see the outside of the house. Ang ganda pa nung storage options sa ilalim, laminated wood, and of course meron tayong oven dito sa ilalim. Okay? On this side naman, meron tayong parang office space dito. We have this counter right here. Na-imagine ko to that you can use it as your coffee station or whatever na gusto nyong gawin. May storage din tayo, of course. Right now, ginamit siya as a parang study. This door, this small door is storage. And this naman is the powder room. Okay, let's check it out. You have the sink and your toilet. And like I said kanina guys, ang gandang pagka-interior even ng ating powder room. This door leads to the service area. We have service area. We have this industrial type na kitchen setup. The ones that you see on restaurants. Napakaganda. We have the range hood right there. This door leads out to the garage, and this naman is your staff room. Okay? Now, let's take one more look sa ating beautiful kitchen. Very nice. Big window right here. And of course, our dining. And our living area. Let me just turn this on kasi feeling ko mas gaganda siya. Wow. Imagine. Diba? Sitting here with your family and friends, watching TV, really nice. Now let's head on to the second floor. Wooden steps right here. Wooden handrails with metal support. And upon landing, let us appreciate the laminated wood flooring na ginamit dito sa house na ito. Okay? We have this console right here. Of course, let's check this out. The first bedroom. Good size bedroom. Meron tayong space for study. Of course, the bed and more storage right here. And built in dito. Plus, every room has its own bathroom. So this one, para dito, we have the sink, toilet, and your enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and of course, shampoo niche. My favorite. Really, really nice. And also, air conditioning are also installed. Let's check out the guest room. Similar to the first bedroom, good space. We have this closet right here, bed, of course, big windows for natural light and ventilation, and your own toilet and bath. We have the sink, the toilet, and of course, your enclosed shower. Ang ganda ng laminated na flooring, oh. Now, this door is really a smart use of space because this one is a linen closet or a storage room for your things. Then one more room sa level na to is this office space that is now being used as a storage. Tapos meron doong balcony. Ayan. May balcony doon. So, very practical. Now, let's check the master bedroom. Upon entry, you will see how generous the space. Right here, we have the console right here, television, we have a queen-size bed, I suppose. Side tables are there. And of course, meron tayong sariling master bedroom balcony right here na pwede natin silipin siguro para ma-appreciate natin yung yung neighborhood. Kita ba? Yan. Really nice. And of course, konting peek lang dito sa area na to because meron bang mga personal items yung owner. But this door is your walk-in and your own toilet and bath. Okay? Nice. Now, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na exciting part is the third level. So let's go. This is perfect if you love entertaining or just family bonding in general. This level will serve you well because this one is the entertainment hall. Meron tayong billiard table here. Balcony. Of course, And you have a seating area right here na pwede ring lagyan ng television, di ba, for your sports and all. We have this bar right here. Amazing. Pwede nyo i-display yung collection ninyo. It's up to you kung anong collection mo. You can highlight them here. Storage, air conditioning, your refrigerator. You have this toilet and bath. Of course, with your sink, toilet, and your partially enclosed shower. And if that one balcony on the other side is not enough, we have a bigger balcony on this side. Check this out. Amazing. And like I mentioned kanina, this one is located in one of the most secured subdivisions here in Angeles City. Now, let's do the recap. This 3-story house and lot for sale is priced at 25 million pesos. It has a lot area of 221 square meters, floor area of 330 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, den or study, linen room, family room, patio, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.